Hi, everybody. Today we are going to talk about a $1 billion love story. I know you're already guessing which one is that, and you are correct. We are going to talk about the Gates. Actually, the two Gates, Melinda Gates and Bill Gates. After 27 years of their marriage, now in their 60s, they have decided to separate their ways. But why now? Who could be the reason, or what could be the reason behind their separation? Let's start understanding them right from the beginning. So, this is how they have started. In 1987, the recent Duke graduate Melinda had just joined Microsoft as a product manager. CEO Bill Gates approached her at a conference and inquired if she would be interested in grabbing dinner in about 2 weeks from now. Her response was, "That's not spontaneous enough for me." Later that night, Bill and Melinda exchanged numbers, and Bill called her to ask her out for a drink. Melinda's response to that was, "Okay, now that's spontaneous enough." Originally, when Bill and Melinda started dating, the relationship was casual for both of them. Fast forward few years in their life, Bill asked Melinda to marry him in 1994. They tied the knot in Lanai, Hawaii. At that time, Gates was 38 and Melinda was 29. Now, flash forward 3 decades later. Bill and Melinda Gates are married with 3 kids, having net worth of $89.6 billion, and they run the biggest charity enterprise, boasting a $40.3 billion endowment. Everything was going well for us to know until the couple decided to announce their divorce. After 27 years of marriage, the mega billionaire couple Bill Gates and Melinda Gates have called it quits. The power couple who emerged as a philanthropy powerhouse with a foundation named after themselves are divorcing each other as their marriage has irretrievably broken. In the month of May, a joint statement posted on Twitter by the Microsoft founders said, "After a great deal of thought and a lot of work on our relationship, we have made the decision to end our marriage." The Wall Street Journal reported that Melinda Gates was meeting with divorce lawyers since 2019 to end the marriage with Bill Gates. As per the report, she was speaking to attorneys from several firms as early as October 2019 and reportedly admitted that the marriage was irretrievably broken. This is definitely heartbreaking. Now, what could be the possible reason behind their divorce after 27 years? There are several reports doing rounds about Melinda and Bill Gates' split. A DNA report said that Melinda has previously suggested that Bill Gates was facing trouble in balancing family and work. Other media reports said that there was another woman lurking in Bill Gates' life. He had an unusual arrangement with his wife. What was the arrangement that Bill Gates had made with Melinda? He was allowed, apparently, he was allowed to spend a long weekend with his former girlfriend Anne Wimblatt every year, according to Time magazine. Could this be a reason for this split? We don't know. We shall never find out, also. Okay, let's look at the third possibility. Melinda was concerned about Bill's dealings with convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. The report added. Bill and Melinda announced their 27 years of marriage, after which Melinda even revealed that she felt uneasy about her husband's ties with Epstein. At least from 2013, Microsoft co-founder met with Jeffrey Epstein several times, even stayed late at his New York townhouse. As per the news reports, Bill Gates' spokesperson said at the time that meetings between him and Epstein focused only on philanthropy. Who was Jeffrey Epstein? Jeffrey Epstein was an American financial advisor who was convicted for sexual abuse and assault. He was also accused of running a vast network of underage girls for sex trafficking. Epstein died in prison in August 2019 at the age of 66 while he was waiting for his trial on federal charges related to sex trafficking. We shall know more about Jeffrey Epstein if we do an episode on him. Now let's come back to Bill Gates and Melinda Gates' broken marriage. What led them to announce their divorce? Did Bill Gates have an extramarital affair? Bill Gates acknowledged through a spokeswoman that he had an extramarital affair with a Microsoft employee, which led its board to investigate the intimate relationship shortly before he resigned from the board last year. It's not clear what role the investigation played in the decision of the Microsoft co-founder and his wife Melinda French Gates' divorce after 27 years of marriage. When they announced their divorce this month, the couple posted identical and simultaneous tweets saying that after a great deal of thought and a lot of work on our relationship, we have made the decision to end our marriage. There was an affair almost 20 years ago which ended amicably, Gates' spokeswoman Bridget Arnold said in an emailed statement. But French Gates' divorce lawyer Robert Cohen did not respond to a request for comment. The Wall Street Journal reported Sunday that Microsoft's directors decided that Gates need to leave the board as it investigated the relationship. At that time, the Gates stepped down. He also left the board of Berkshire Hathaway, the conglomerate run by his longtime friend Warren Buffett. Few details of Gates' affair emerged, including the name of the employee, how long the relationship lasted, and whether she continues to work for Microsoft. It is also unclear what led the employee to report the relationship with Gates to the company when she did. Let's find out about it in the next video. Whether it's Jeffrey's friendship that ruined most part of the marriage, or it is the woman from his company. Let's know more about it in the next one.